Good morning, students. As per the query taken by the students, I am explaining the statement of illustration number 64b. X and Y are partner, sharing profit in the ratio 5:3 respectively. The balance sheet is given to us: creditors, workman compensation reserve, Z loan. The new point is here. Capital of X and Y, cash, debtors, stock, investment, goodwill, plant. All these assets are given to you. Goodwill, please mark it. Old goodwill is there, so you have to put the entry of the return of old goodwill. Workman compensation reserve is there, so we have to check whether any claim is there or not, and we have to pass the entry accordingly. Z admitted in the partnership on the following terms. The new profit sharing ratio will be 4:3:2 between X, Y and Z. The new ratio is given to us. With the help of new and old ratio, we can calculate the sacrifice ratio. Z loan should be treated as is capital. Yes. The change is given in this question. Earlier to that, the new partner was bringing the goodwill capital in the cash, but now Z loan is given in the balance sheet. This loan is converted into capital now. So what will be the journal entry in this case? The entry will become, look at the screen carefully, Z loan account to Z capital, and while preparing the capital account, instead of cash account we have to pass the entry by Z loan account. Then come back to the statement, third point, sorry. Goodwill of the firm valued at 27,000. It means it is not given somewhere else. The new partner is bringing the amount of goodwill in cash. So we have to pass the entry by opening the Z current account to X to Y. The total capital of the goodwill of the firm is 27,000. He is coming for the share, that is 2/9, and we have to distribute the goodwill accordingly. It will become 6,000. 27,000 into 2/9. You will get the Z current account 6,000. It is distributed among X and Y in their sacrifice ratio. Next, fourth point is 8,000 of investment were taken over by X and Y. Yes, in the previous question that we have done, in that the value is taken over at 8,000 or something else. But now in this question, it is saying out of the investment of rupees 10,000, 8,000 rupees investment are to be taken over by X and Y. It means 2,000 rupees investment will remain with the firm as it is. It is to be shown in the balance sheet. See, it is shown in the balance sheet, rupees 2,000. And the 8,000 that is taken over by X and Y, it is shown in the capital account to investment 5,000 and 3,000, because X and Y taken over the investment in their profit sharing ratio. The next, stock is reduced. It is very simple. Stock is reduced by 10%. Earlier stock was 56,000, just reduce it by 10%, and it is shown in the revaluation account 5,600. Provision for doubtful debts is 5% on the debtors. The debtors are 40,000. The 5% of 40,000 will be 2,000, and earlier it is 1,800. It means provision is increasing by 200 to provision for bad debt. Now, after deducting the provision 40,000 minus 2,000, we will get the balance 38,000. The 2% of 38,000 is for the provision for discount on debtor. It will be 760 rupees. Liability of workman. Yes, I highlighted the point. The workman compensation fund is given to us 12,000. The liability of the workman compensation reserve is determined, means claim is here, liability means the claim, 15,000. It means claim is more than the reserve we have. The liability is increasing. That's why we have to put the entry workman compensation reserve account debit, that is 12,000, but the claim is 15,000. So 3,000 will increase, is shown in revaluation account. X withdrew 6,000 rupees in cash. So in X capital account, we have to put the entry to bank account 6,000. This entry will not affect on any of others partner account. This is all about your question I have discussed. If you have any query further, please ask. I will solve, and I am giving you time to complete your questions up to 66. Thank you.